Picture this, melt in your mouth cocoa brownies. I'm talking dark cocoa. Not too sweet, but not too bitter, just soft and cakey. Then add a layer of creamy no-bake cheesecake, again soft but perfectly set. Then add freshly made blackberry jam on top with an easy to make and cute pattern. You've got blackberry cheesecake bars. For today's video, let's begin with the blackberry sauce. So I'm going to be adding some frozen blackberries to a large saucepan along with some sugar and lemon juice. We're going to mix that for about 5 to 6 minutes until the mixture becomes bubbly and the blackberries break down. You're going to pour that into a sieve and run it through using the wooden spoon. Then you're going to set this aside to cool down at room temperature while we move on to our cakey cocoa brownies. To a large mixing bowl, you're going to add some unsalted melted butter along with some caster sugar. Whisk those two ingredients together. I actually switched over to a spatula because I found it was easier to use this. Then we're going to add cocoa powder, salt, baking powder and vanilla extract, and we're going to mix that until everything's well combined. Next, you're going to add some eggs. You're going to add them one at a time, mixing each time until the batter is smooth. The last thing you want to do is add some boiling water. This is going to help make your cakey brownies a little bit more moist. So it is like kind of a magic ingredient. Add some all-purpose flour in there and you're going to mix that until the batter is nice and smooth before you add some espresso powder, and that helps bring out and elevate the chocolate flavor in the brownies. It's optional, but I recommend it. Once that's all really well combined, we're going to add that to a 9 by 9 inch cake tin. You're going to spray that and line the tops and bottom with some baking paper. This is going to go in the oven for about 30 minutes, 175 degrees Celsius. Once it's baked, let it cool down completely. Once that's baked and cooled, we're going to make our cheesecake layer. So add some cream cheese to a large mixing bowl, mix that using an electric hand mixer. By the way guys, this mixer broke when I was whipping cream for a different recipe. And I actually am getting a new mixer which I'm really excited about and I can't wait to show you guys in the video. Once that's really well combined and creamy, after about 3 minutes, you're going to add some melted white chocolate. Now I melted my white chocolate in the microwave and then I let it cool down slightly before I added it to the cream cheese. If you add it in there while it's hot, it's actually going to deflate all of the air that you just whipped into that cream cheese, and you don't want that to happen. Mix that until it's well combined, and then to a separate bowl you're going to add some heavy cream. Whip that to soft peaks before you add some mascarpone cheese and some vanilla extract. Mix that until everything is well combined and you reach stiff peaks. Then you're going to add that to the cream cheese mixture and use a spatula to fold it through until it's all really well combined. It's going to look thick. It's meant to look thick. You're going to add it to the cool down brownie layer in the cake tin. Spread it around as evenly and flat as you can. I use the spatula to help me do that. Then my blackberry sauce has cooled down. This is the really fun part. This is my favorite part, decorating the top. So we're going to pipe lines of that blackberry sauce on top. Then using a skewer or a toothpick, we're going to swirl it kind of up and down in the opposite direction. And it's going to give us this really cool classic, almost European looking design. I don't know about you guys, but I find this part like really soothing and relaxing. Let this set in the fridge for about 2 hours. Then you're going to take it out of the cake tin, lifting it up from the excess baking paper on our cake tin. Use a large knife to slice it in 3x3 bars, giving you 9 bars all up. And guys, this is ready to dig into. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the like button, which is the same thing. Make sure you subscribe, and if you want to watch more videos from me, I have some up on screen right now. Oh, and the recipe is on my website. The link for that is in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all on the next episode of The Scran Line.